These are Dreamy Lavender shower steamers from Body Restore. They work very similar to a bath bomb, but you put them in the shower away from the direct stream of water. They're a nice lavender scent. It's not too strong and not too light. I love the fact that you get 15 in a package and they all come individually wrapped, so you don't have to worry about the moisture getting to them. They're good to go. It's nice and easy to open. All you do is pop that tablet into your shower away from the direct stream of water, and it starts to bubble and release the scent. It was a nice, lovely lavender scent, and I absolutely love lavender. This would be perfect after a busy or a stressful day when you just kind of want to wind down or calm down from your shower. It is a great way to add a little bit of aromatherapy to it and just kind of, end your day really, really well. I love these shower streamers. I love the idea of it and the fact that there are something now for shower takers rather than only bath bombs for bath lovers. With the holiday season coming up, these will make great stocking stuffers.